My friends all know that every time I get behind the wheel of a rental compact car, something inside me awakens. A Formula One driver is born. My mood shifts faster than a dual-clutch transmission, and the seriousness on my face easily exceeds any legal CO2 emission limits. Although most of my driving tests have gone successfully, and a friendly manager managed to bump my rental rating from sub-zero to neutral for some inexplicable reason, they've stopped giving me fast and flashy cars. And what's even weirder, no more soft floor mats either. Maybe it's because I always decline full insurance. Maybe they're unsettled by the fact that I signed the rental agreement wearing gloves and a helmet. Or maybe working at the rental desk is just a break from their mobile game. Who knows? I get the feeling that even if I changed my surname and had a light touch-up on my lips and eyebrows, there'd still be no chance of getting a zippy orange Citroen Racing or a sky blue Fiesta RS. All I'm left with is something stylish, like a Gucci handbag, but just as slow as a tax refund, the baby Fiat 500. Now, don't get me wrong, I do love Fiats, but giving me something with an engine smaller than a sewing machine for a weekend in the mountains and without floor mats is a low blow, and those constant excuses. Hand me the keys. And so, inhaling the pure indifference of the rental agent, I got behind the wheel. Hairpin mountain drives, beach cruising, winding Italian roads. My little Fiat has seen it all. On the bright side, I only had to refuel twice over 2 weeks. But I nearly came in last on a mountain track near a grocery store, clocking a humiliating 11-minute time, just barely beating a mustachioed guy on a lawnmower. I spent the entire vacation glued to my phone. I emailed, I called, I pulled every string I could. As it turns out, the rental company's tech support seems to be entirely AI-powered now. Not a single human left in sight. Even offering to vouch for one of the platform's co-owners didn't help. And those velour floor mats, still no sign of them.